Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about index match function. It means we would like to use two functions together, index and match. But first of all I will explain you the match, then index, then together of them. We are using these functions instead of VLOOKUP. It means we are using these functions to search for some part of value in our table, in our data. You can impress your boss through using this function instead of using VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP or any other searching methods. So we will use these functions. So let's get started. First of all, I will explain you the match function. Okay, the match function return the position of a value. For example, we would like to return the position of 30, for example. Okay, 30 ID number 30. So to return, let's write here is equal to match. First of all, the lookup value, we would like to return the position of 53. Okay, 53. So select 53 first of all, comma, then select the lookup array. This is our lookup array, okay, the ID column. So after selecting that comma, then the exact match, okay, 0, it means exact match. So I think, this is why it is, let's make it general. So the position of this 53 is 5. It means first, second, third, fourth and fifth. It is on fifth position. This is the match function that we have used, and we return the position of 53. Now for example, we want to find the salary on fifth position. We want to find the salary on fifth position. Which salary is on fifth position? So for that we are using the index. So index is used to return value based on a position. Is equal to index. Open that. First of all, array. So array, for example, this is our array, comma, our row number, for example, fifth position. Close it, press enter. So on fifth position we have 58,339. This is the salary on fifth position. So now we will use together both of them to find index and match together to find the salary. So is equal to, first of all we will use index. In the index we will specify our array. So we want to find the salary, comma, then the row number, the position. So we want to find the position based on ID. So we will use match function for that. So our ID is right now 53, comma, our lookup array. Our lookup array is this. Select your ID column, comma, 0 for exact match. Close it and close the index and press enter. So on fifth position we have the salary 58,000. Let's make it currency. Let's make it, 58,000. This is the salary and fifth ID number 53. So let's change the ID. For example, we would like to insert now 30. Enter. So for 30 we have 97,000. So let's change the ID. For example, 72. The first one. Okay, press enter. So we have 64,000 for that. So this is how we can use index and match together. But if you would like to use a row and column in two way, so for the two, for example, in this row, in this seventh row and this column, salary column, we want to find this value. Okay, for example, 14 is the ID number and salary is the column number. We want to find this value in two way, okay, on row wise and the column wise. So for that, let's use it. Okay, let's, for example, we want to find that here is equal to, first of all we will use index. So our array, we will select all our data. So after selecting your data, comma, then a row number. Okay, so for the row number, let's use match function to find the row number. Match. Our lookup value is 14. We want to find the row number 14. The ID is 14, comma, our lookup array. So this is our lookup array. Let's select the ID column, comma, 0 exact match. Close it, comma, now our column number. So for the column number, let's use it again, match function. Our lookup value is salary right now. The column name is salary, comma, our lookup array is this column. We will select the header, comma, 0 per exact match. Close it and close the index function, press enter. So we have 18,850 this, okay, 18,857. Let's make it United States to currency. So this is on that position. Now let's change, for example, we would like to change the ID. Let's make it, for example, 79. Press enter. So that has changed to 91,000. So it is how we can use the index and match function together. So I hope you learned something from this video and you learn about index and match function. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.